Welcome back to HARBRO Freight. Quality videos, lowest prices, best deals. And this is why, one, you should be subscribed, turn on notifications. But this is why we have ITC Appreciation Day. 20% off, one day only, Thursday, July 10th, in stores only. And here we have it. Let's go ahead and read the fine print. Limit 1 usage per customer per day, valid in store, on in stock, and pre-sale eligible items only for existing and new ITC members. No coupon required. Discount applied at register. 20% off any single item purchase. Cannot be used with any of the following ITC memberships, extended service plans, open boxes, gift cards. Cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including ITC member prices. Other restrictions may apply. 7/10 only. So that's tomorrow. So we have tonight to prepare, and that's what we're going to do. So normally what I try to do is look at the items that are new tools, because they're the ones that are least likely to go on sale. And we do have some new tools. This Pittsburgh 12-volt battery direct tire inflator LED, Pittsburgh 6-inch double-edge wallboard saw, which looks like it's new. The two Predator 1200 watt and 600 watt power stations. And we will take a look at those briefly and see what the discount is. So at $750 for the 1200 watt power station at 20% off. You're getting it for $600. So you're saving $150 for the 1200 watt power station. And then for the 600 watt power station, if you're getting that at 80% off, you're getting it for $360. So you're saving about $90 there. So excellent, well, I'll say excellent deals, excellent discounts. Whether the Predators are worth it compared to the competition is a different question. I have seen some of the feedback, but I'm a fan of Harbor Freight and they're offering 20% off. So that is a plus. The Doyle electrician shears, $18, save $360 there. So get those for about $14. The Quinn precision screwdriver set at $15. Get that down $3 to get that for about $12. The Badland 1.5 ton off-road jack, $300 normally. Save $60 there. So you get that for $240 for the 1.5 ton, which is an excellent deal. And even looking at the shop all brands, the Central Machinery 8 horsepower towable backhoe for $3,000. If you decide to go with this and you're getting it at 20% off, you're getting it for $2,400. Save $600. If you pay the $30 for the ITC membership, you can save yourself $570. So these higher priced items are definitely worth it to get ITC. If you're getting only aiming for some of the lower priced items, it might not pay for itself, but for the higher priced items, absolutely. Same percentage off. If you're looking at the Icon 73-inch, 25-inch professional roll cab, 20% off. You'll save $600 on that. Some of the G2 ratchets would be a good time to use the 20% off. Here we have the 1/2-inch for $120, the 1/2-inch G2 Flex G2 ratchet, chemical resistant TPV grip for comfort, split pawl technology, 132 degrees of range, 9 locking positions at $120 at 20% off. You're getting it for less than $100, $96. So you're saving yourself almost $25 for the G2 1/2-inch ratchet. For the 3/8 inch, it's already well priced at $69.99. So I suggest you pay full retail. But if you don't want to, then at $69.99 and 80% off, you're getting that for $55.99. Not a nice price, but a whole $14 cheaper. So definitely a good get if you're trying to get some of the G2 ratchets. And we'll just go ahead and look at the 1/4-inch drive, 9-inch long locking flex head ratchet with comfort grip at $54.99, and you're getting it at 20% off. You're getting it for $44, so $11 off, which is great. 20% off, $44 for the 1/4-inch locking flex head ratchet from Icon. There's a lot of different ways you can go with this, but I'll keep it simple. I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. This is one day only. Tomorrow, if you find this helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.